Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Hello, this is Nia, your voice for today's headlines. It's Friday, May 8. Here is what we are covering. Perplexity has announced that its personal computer software is now accessible to all Mac users through its desktop app, expanding beyond its initial release limited to Perplexity Mac subscribers. This software, designed to compete with local AI agents like OpenAI, allows AI to interact with local files, applications, and web resources to manage personal workflows. Unlike OpenAI, which faced security concerns due to its elevated permissions, Personal Computer aims to provide a safer environment by operating within a secure development framework on Perplexity's servers. The software can handle tasks involving local files, native Mac apps, and web operations, utilizing over 400 connectors and personal context. It can also function with Perplexity's AI-powered Comet web browser to manage web-based tools without direct connectors. Designed for always-on devices like the Mac Mini, it can be accessed remotely via iPhone, allowing users to initiate tasks or approve requests. This functionality supports various work types, such as managing spreadsheets, documents, and multi-material projects, enabling agents to compare files from different apps or transfer notes to create drafts. With its general availability, Perplexity plans to phase out its older Mac app to concentrate on the new Personal Computer app. Currently, the new Mac app is available for direct download, but is not yet in the Mac App Store. Next, OpenAI has introduced 3 new audio models in its API, designed to enhance voice applications for developers. These models include GPT Real-Time 2, which offers advanced reasoning capabilities for natural conversations, GPT Real-Time Translate, which provides live translation across over 70 input languages into 13 output languages, and GPT Real-Time Whisper, a streaming speech-to-text model for real-time transcription. The models aim to create more interactive and intelligent voice experiences, allowing users to perform tasks through voice commands, receive live spoken guidance, and engage in multilingual conversations. GPT Real-Time 2 is particularly notable for its ability to handle complex requests, maintain context, and use tools during conversations, offering improved accuracy and response in voice interactions. It supports longer sessions and complex task flows with an expanded context window and enhanced domain understanding. GPT Real-Time Translate facilitates real-time multilingual interactions, crucial for global customer support and cross-border communications, while GPT Real-Time Whisper ensures low-latency transcription for various applications. The API includes safety measures to prevent misuse and supports EU data residency for compliance with privacy commitments. Pricing for these models varies, with GPT Real-Time 2 priced at $32 per million audio input tokens, GPT Real-Time Translate at $0.034 per minute, and GPT Real-Time Whisper at $0.017 per minute. Developers can test these models in the playground and integrate them into applications using codecs. On that note, TechCrunch reports that Instructure, an education technology company, has suffered a second data breach by the cybercrime group Shiny Hunters. The hackers defaced login pages of several schools using Instructure's Canvas platform, which is used for managing coursework and communication between students and teachers. This breach follows an earlier incident where hackers stole private information, including names and email addresses from students. Shiny Hunters has threatened to release the stolen data on May 12 unless Instructure negotiates a settlement. The hackers injected an HTML file into the login pages, displaying a message about their demands. Instructure's website has been experiencing issues, with some users encountering a too many requests error, while the Canvas portal is undergoing scheduled maintenance. Instructure has not responded to requests for comment. Shiny Hunters, known for financially motivated attacks, previously claimed responsibility for the initial breach, which allegedly affected nearly 9,000 schools and involve data on 231 million individuals. The group has a history of hacking, publicizing, and extorting victims. The method used to compromise the login pages remains unclear, but Shiny Hunters confirmed this is a separate breach from the original incident. Meanwhile, OpenAI's ChatGPT has become a source of amusement and frustration for Chinese users due to its peculiar linguistic habits. Despite being blocked in China, the chatbot is widely used, often responding with the phrase, "I will catch you steadily," which translates awkwardly and feels overly sentimental to native speakers. This phrase, reminiscent of therapy language, has become a meme, symbolizing the chatbot's tendency to latch onto specific expressions, a phenomenon known as mode collapse. This occurs when AI models overuse certain phrases due to post-training feedback. The phrase awkwardness may stem from translation issues as it resembles the English "I've got you," but sounds cumbersome in Chinese. Additionally, the chatbot's responses often reflect English writing patterns, making them feel unnatural in Chinese. The meme has inspired projects like Jiezdu, an open-source tool to improve chatbot understanding. Other AI models, such as Claude and DeepSeek, have also started using the phrase, indicating its persistence in AI interactions. In other news, a person experienced a startling encounter with a deepfake version of themselves during a Microsoft Teams call. The deepfake, created using advanced software typically used by scammers, replicated the individual's facial features, including a 5 o'clock shadow, grin, and eye bags on another person's body. The technology allowed the deepfake to mimic actions such as pinching cheeks and stroking the chin without breaking the illusion. This incident highlights the capabilities and potential misuse of deepfake technology, which can convincingly alter appearances in real time. The post discussing this experience is available to paid members, offering unlimited ad-free access to articles and additional content. Free members can access similar posts and receive a weekly email roundup of stories. Moving on, Elon Musk attempted to recruit Sam Altman to Tesla in 2017 to lead a new AI lab, offering him a board seat. This was revealed during the Musk VC High Altman trial, where Musk claims Altman and OpenAI president Greg Brockman misappropriated his $38 million investment to create a private company now valued over $800 billion. Emails and testimonies, including those from Siobhan Zelis, a former OpenAI advisor, suggest Musk aimed to integrate OpenAI into Tesla. OpenAI's legal team argues Musk's actions stem from frustration over losing control of OpenAI. Zelis testified that Altman never joined Tesla, and plans for the AI lab and a NeurIPS event were abandoned. Musk later launched a competing AI lab, XAI. Finally, Kodiak AI's stock dropped 37% in after-hours trading after announcing a $100 million fundraising round at a discounted share price of $6.50, below the previous closing price of $9.10. The funding, which included warrants for future share purchases, was supported by Ares Management and unnamed institutional investors. This capital injection aims to support Kodiak's expansion of its self-driving truck operations, which span off-road and public highway settings. Despite reporting a revenue increase to $1.8 million in the first quarter, Kodiak's operational losses doubled to $37.8 million compared to the previous year. Recent business developments include a contract with Roll Transport for autonomous freight hauling and collaborations with West Fraser Timber Company and General Dynamics Land Systems. Kodiak plans to transition to driverless operations by the end of 2026, with a current safety validation score of 86%. The company went public in September through a merger with Ares Acquisition Corporation II.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.